railroad that has been in continuous operation under its original charter here in the United States. The railroad is currently owned by a group of local stockholders, and it was back in 1958 when 24 dedicated railroad buffs came together to purchase the line and save it from bankruptcy. This group was organized in the most unusual fashion, though, with one president and in the event that you're wondering about the high speed of our journey this afternoon, it's a very simple matter. The oldest timetable that we have ever found for our line was printed in the Strasburg newspaper, dated August of 1852. Today, we still follow that same basic schedule, beautiful land here in Pennsylvania. In an effort to protect that farmland, the Strasburg Railroad teams up with the Lancaster Farmland Trust, and whenever one of these farms becomes available for preservation, the Strasburg Railroad makes a donation to also help assist in the preservation of that farm. Now, this area of Lancaster was settled in the very early 1700s. Route 741, the road that you took to get to our station today, was originally a Conestoga wagon trail, which opened in 1710. Wheelers was a wagon maker, and settlers today that's journey back to Illinois. If you would like to face the opposite direction for the return trip, you can pull on the back of the seat and it will turn itself over so you can face the other way. And also, if you need to use any of the onboard restroom facilities, this would be a great time as well. The two main tracks you see out there with the concrete ties that are on the right-hand side of the train, those are the Amtrak high-speed Keystone Line rails. One is eastbound designated, one is westbound designated. Now, the locomotive that's pulling our train today is number 89. 89 was built in 1910 by the Canadian Locomotive Company. 89 comes being rain and passes 130 tons. It is more than the
Awesome.